So I'm going to go on a brief discussion about this dash cam that I invested in. It's made by Vicovation. It's the WF-1 model. It's close to $300 on Amazon. And it's a fairly good dash cam because you can connect up to it via Wi-Fi. So what I'm going to do is I'll actually turn my car on and let it boot up.
System loading.
You'll have to ignore the annoying
Recording started.
door chime, but the camera just booted up and it's actually started recording. And I have the volume set as low on it, and there's an actual application that you can download for the Google Play and iOS, which actually syncs up with it. But it takes about 20 to 30 seconds for the Wi-Fi to actually boot up on it for you to be able to connect up to it. So we'll just look at how I have this thing routed and go from there. So the camera is, as you can see, it's a micro USB cable on the side of it. The wire is actually routed upwards to the headliner. I've actually got it kind of tucked up here. I have a zip tie right here to kind of keep it all together, keep it to where if I ever unplug the micro USB, I can actually not lose the cable. It kind of keeps it all clean together. So the wire actually comes all the way up here. It's tucked away, comes right around here. It's tucked away here. And then I took it away down here, all the way down to the side to the fuse box area, which is located right about here. So let me actually get I need a tool, I need a knife or something. 1 second. Alright. Door wide open, you can ignore the fancy little freaking weather stripping. Kind of experimenting around right now, trying to figure out what'll reduce some of that A-pillar noise that I get from this car. I will actually pry away the panel that secures the fuse panel. Alright, that's good. That should give me some room to play with. Alright, that's kind of a little more violent than I want it to be. As you can see, it's got clip up there, clip on the side, clip it on the bottom. So what I've done is I've actually run what's known as an added fuse right here. And that has usually got a 30 amp fuse right there. That's for a cigarette lighter. And what I've done is I've actually added an added circuit on there, which I may include in my description as far as where you can buy that. And one fuse for the cigarette lighter right here, and then one fuse for the WF-1. You can also see back here in the back, I've also purchased right here a cigarette lighter, or a female socket at least, to be able to plug the WF-1 into, so that way it keeps it all stock and it doesn't, I don't have to cut any cables or anything like that. But I decided to move it to another car. That actually gives me a power and a negative wire, or power ground wire, whatever you want to call it, that I've actually routed to here for the ground wire. There's a little torque screw right here. I tap the ground wire into right there. So cable comes all the way down, tucked away. Actually, it comes up here, comes behind this panel right here down into the fuse box panel, and it runs into right there. And then the female socket goes right there. Power wire goes into the added fuse. Ground wire goes into there. Everyone's happy. Boots up just fine. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.